Hello to you, I'm Shannon with Visit Great Falls. This is What's Up Wednesday, a festive edition of it as we look ahead to events coming up the rest of this week and into the weekend. I'm at the famous City Bar in downtown Great Falls, a long-standing business here with a Great Falls tradition. This is the Tom and Jerry drink. You can get it with or without alcohol, but it's the batter we want to talk about. It is made right here at City Bar every year, and get this, 1,000 gallons of batter they make every year for this Tom and Jerry drink. And that involves 15 to 18,000 eggs to make this delicious batter. It's a sign of the season. This time of year, you gotta come, part of the Christmas tradition, holiday tradition here in Great Falls, and try a Tom and Jerry drink. A lot of people like to try it, kick off the season, and have one of these at the Christmas Stroll, which is coming up this Friday evening, starting at 5 p.m. in downtown Great Falls. It's a holiday luau theme this year, so feeling a bit tropical on a chilly December day here in Great Falls, Montana. For that Christmas Stroll, more than 40 years in the making. This annual event brings lots of people out to downtown. Stores are open late. There's food vendors, all kinds of fun. And it also happens to be First Friday Art Walk. So all of that is happening in downtown Great Falls this coming Friday. Also on Friday, maybe more your speed is to head out to First Peoples Buffalo Jump State Park. They are having a holiday season trim the tree event and winter star party there this evening. Can make some ornaments, trim that tree, enjoy some festive fellowship out there. Also this weekend, you can get some artisan, true artistic gifts for people in your life at the Art of Christmas. This is a wonderful holiday tradition at Paris Gibson Square Museum of Art. And you can also head over to the Holiday Village Mall. They're having a Christmas Solstice craft show there this weekend as well. And don't forget, another true sign of the season and tradition here in Great Falls, the Christmas Symphony happening at the Mansfield, of course, with the Great Falls Symphony. Always have a special guest at the end to lead everybody in sleigh rides. They'll have music from the Nutcracker, traditional Christmas carols, and more. Again, that is coming up this Sunday. For more on things to do throughout this holiday season and beyond in Great Falls, you can head to visitgreatfallsmontana.org. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and our podcast that comes out every Friday called We're No Damn Experts. So come, enjoy this Tom and Jerry, and we'll see you soon here in Great Falls.